Hello class, how are you all? Today I am telling you about one activity that is in your book in lesson cell. So what is the activity? To make a temporary mount of an onion peel and study it under the microscope. So take a small piece from an onion bulb. What is small piece? Using a pair of forceps, carefully peel off the skin from its inner side. So what we will do? We will take a peel of onion and put this peel immediately in a watch glass. So watch glass is just like a glass bowl containing water to prevent it from drying or getting folded. So what we will do? We will take onion piece. We will peel off onion. Then we will keep this in watch glass. Take a clean glass slide and put a drop of water on it. So we will take a glass slide and after that we will drop a water. Transfer a small piece of the peel from the watch glass on the slide. Then what we will do? We will take small piece of peel that we have taken from the onion and we will keep this on the slide. Add a drop of saffron solution on the peel and cover it with a cover slip. After that, saffron is a color solution. So after that we will keep saffron solution and we will keep a cover slip. After that our slide of onion peel is ready. Now we will keep this under microscope and we will see the structure of onion. So a large number of cells lying side by side are observed under the low power microscope. So a large number of cells, just like a bricks, lying side by side are observed under the microscope. Using high power, it is observed that each cell has a cell wall, a distinct nucleus and vacuoles in the cytoplasm. If we will see under high power, so we can see each cell of onion has a cell wall, a nucleus and a vacuole. So we can see cell of onion. Now next activity in your book, to prepare and observe temporary mounts of a leaf peel. Now we have made onion peel. Now we will make leaf peel. Tips of roots of onion or peel of onion. Different sizes and answer the following question. So we have prepared now onion peel. So do all cells look alike in terms of shape and size? Just like leaf, onion, they look alike. Do all cells look alike in structure, in shape? Could we find differences among cells from different parts of the same plant? क्या जो cells हैं वो different है या same है, अलग अलग part की? What similarities could we find? So what differences we found and what similarities we found? So this is the activity that is in your book. So can you prepare a onion peel? This question also come in your exam also. So if you know how can we make onion peel? So take a small piece of an onion bulb and using a pair of forceps, carefully peel off the skin from its inner side. Then put this peel immediately in a watch glass. It is easy, you can do. In watch glass we keep this because it will not be folded and dry. After that we will take a glass slide and we will put a drop of water and after that we will keep the skin of onion. Then after we will put a drop of saffron on the skin of the onion. After that we will put a glass. We will take a cover slip. Then we will see this under the microscope. So in a low power microscope we can see what we can see in low power? Cells lying side by side. In high power we can see each cell has a cell wall, a nucleus and a vacuoles in the cytoplasm. If we see different types of cells as leaf cell, onion cell, so question is here, all cells look alike or different? Just like onion, leaf, they all look alike or they look different? So all cells look different. Thank you very much.